Learning English can feel like standing at the foot of a mountain, exciting but a little scary too. If you know someone just starting out, here's how you can make that journey easier for them, step by step. First, be patient. Remember, everyone learns at their own pace. Mistakes? They're not just normal, they're necessary. So if your friend mixes up words or gets stuck, celebrate the effort, not just the result. Next, keep things simple. Use clear, everyday language when you talk. Short sentences, lots of gestures, maybe even a few drawings can make a world of difference. Avoid slang or idioms at first. They can be super confusing. Encourage practice, but make it fun. Suggest watching cartoons, singing along to easy songs, playing language games together. The more relaxed and playful the practice, the faster confidence will grow. Don't correct every mistake right away. Instead, repeat what they said correctly in a friendly way.
They go to school.
You can reply, "Yes, she goes to school every day." This helps without making them feel embarrassed. Most importantly, be their cheerleader. Celebrate small wins, like learning a new word or finishing a simple conversation. Remind them that progress is progress, no matter how tiny it feels. Learning a new language is a huge adventure, and your encouragement can make all the difference. So keep it positive, keep it patient, and help them climb that mountain one step at a time.